Hey, what's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, the place where passion for automobiles meets the future of driving. Today we are diving into something that has defined American roads for decades and continues to dominate with strength, reliability, and innovation, the all-new 2026 Ford F-Series. This truck has a reputation that stretches over 70 years, and with the 2026 edition, Ford has once again proven why the F-Series remains one of the most popular and iconic pickup trucks in the world. The 2026 Ford F-Series is more than just a workhorse, it's a statement of capability, technology, and rugged style. From its redesigned exterior that balances tough boldness with aerodynamic efficiency to its powerful engine options, Ford has created a truck that's ready for both heavy-duty work and everyday driving. The front fascia gets a modern upgrade with a striking grille design, LED headlights, and sharper lines that enhance its road presence. Whether you're driving through the city, cruising highways, or taking it off-road, the 2026 F-Series commands attention with ease. Under the hood, Ford is offering multiple powertrain options to satisfy every type of driver. You'll see updated EcoBoost engines delivering impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing torque, a hybrid model that combines power with sustainability, and yes, Ford is expanding its electric lineup with an F-Series EV option that redefines performance for a greener future. No matter which version you choose, the 2026 F-Series provides incredible towing and hauling capacity, making it perfect for workers, adventurers, and families alike. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels like a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. Ford has loaded the 2026 F-Series with premium materials, spacious seating, and cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system is centered around a massive touchscreen display with Ford's Sync 5, offering seamless smartphone integration, real-time navigation, and voice-activated controls. With wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and even built-in Wi-Fi, this truck isn't just about getting you to your destination, it's about keeping you connected the whole way. Safety has always been a major focus, and the 2026 F-Series raises the bar with Ford Company Pilot 360. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make driving safer and more convenient, whether you're towing a trailer or navigating city streets. Off-road enthusiasts will also appreciate the FX4 package, which includes upgraded suspension, skid plates, and terrain management systems to handle mud, sand, or rocky trails with ease. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Ford F-Series is how versatile it is. For workers, it's a tool that can tow massive loads and haul heavy gear. For families, it's a spacious, comfortable ride with advanced entertainment features. For adventurers, it's an off-road beast ready to conquer the wild. Ford has made sure there's a trim and setup for every lifestyle, from the dependable XL all the way up to the luxurious Platinum and limited editions. At the end of the day, the 2026 Ford F-Series isn't just another truck, it's a reminder of why Ford continues to lead the market. It carries the heritage of toughness that built its legacy, while embracing innovation and technology that keep it relevant in today's world. This truck is built to handle anything life throws your way while giving you comfort, safety, and performance that's hard to beat. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Ford F-Series the ultimate pickup for your lifestyle, or is Ford simply rewriting the rules of what a truck can be? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Trend for more deep dives into the world of automotive greatness.